Hi guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome if you're watching this page for the very first time. My name is Gauri and I will highly appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, today I'm back with another Smitten haul because you guys have shown so much love on that video. So thank you so much for that, and yeah, let's start the video. So this is how the first box looks like. Nothing new, सारी packaging ऐसे ही होती है Smitten के boxes की. And as soon as you will open this box, these are the products that I got and I will show you one by one. Yeah, so the first product that I got is this MCafe Naked and Raw Mocha Coffee Face Mask, and this is for the skin repair. So this is how the bottle looks like, and it is a glass bottle, and it is well packed. Like अभी भी इस पे, let me just show you. I don't know, my nails are just useless. Yeah, see, ये fully packed है, like, and this also has a separator in it, and this is how the product looks like. And the quantity for this is 12 grams. Yeah, so this was for one trial point, and I got this one as the first product. Yeah, so the second product I got is this Just Herbs Sapta Gel Ayurvedic Micellar Water Makeup Remover for all skin types. So this is basically a micellar water because I'm done with my another micellar water, so I wanted to try something new, and the previous one which I was using was giving me rashes on my skin, so I just wanted to try something new, and this is, and what else can be better than Ayurvedic. So I tried, I wanted to try out this one, so I ordered, and this was also for one trial point. So the third product I got is this very cute little bottle right here, and this is the Wishcare Fermented Rice Water Shampoo, and this is the Strength and Growth formula. And this also says that this is free from sulfates and paraben, and the quantity for this is 25 ml. Yeah, so this is the third bottle that I got, and this is also for one trial point. So the fourth product that I got is this cute little container right here, and this is the Hello Hydration Moisture Boost Gel Creme by the brand called Olly. But this product has been such a huge disappointment for me because जो मुझे वहाँ पे product show हो रहा था उसका outer packaging was way different than what I received here. I will try to post a picture somewhere on the screen so that you can understand what I'm actually talking about. So yeah, this was the fourth product that I got. So the fifth product that I chose is this cute little pocket perfume right here, and this is the Sea Island Temptation Fine Fragrance Mist by the brand called Idle Willows, and the quantity for this is 10 ml. And this perfume will last you for more than 6 hours. I think so because I have actually tried it, and this I like this personally so much. Yeah, so this was the fifth product that I got. So the last product that I chose in this box is this sheet mask, and this is how the sheet mask looks like, and this is by the brand called All Mask Career Cosmetics, and this is in the variant lemon. Yeah, so this is in the variant lemon fruit sheet mask, and this is for the skin lightening purpose. Yeah, so this was the sixth product that I chose, and all the products that I chose in this box was for one trial point each. So this was the sixth product that I. So in this box I got a free gift again, and this is how the pouch looks like. I chose this pouch, but you can choose it according to you, and this is in the shade camel. So yeah, here I complete my first box. So here's my second box, and let's see what I got in this. So this is the first product that I got, and this is the scrunchie. Let me just open it. So yeah, this is how the scrunchie looks like, and this is in the color blue, like more of a powder blue color. And yeah, let me just, yeah, so this is how it looks. This is actually very pretty, and girls might know that scrunchies are so in these days, so I actually wanted to try these, so I ordered this one, and this was for one trial point. And similarly I got another scrunchie in the magenta pink shade, and let me just open this one as well. And this is how the scrunchie looks like, and yeah, this is in the very pretty magenta pink shade. So this was the second product that I ordered, and this was for one trial point as well. So the third product I got in this box is this perfume right here, and this is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is from the brand called Fragrance and Beyond, and I chose the variant Miracle in it, and this originally retails for rupees 199. And yeah, this is how the bottle looks like. Nothing new, just a normal bottle perfume, and the quantity for this one is 8 ml. Yeah, so this was the third product that I got. And the next product that I got in this box is this face razor right here, and this is from the brand called Let's Shave. And yeah, this is in the color pink and white, like more of a baby pink color and white. And this also has a separator in this, like this, and this is in the color pink. And the blade of this is like very sharp, like not really that sharp that it will hurt your skin, but you need to be really careful with it because this might hurt you a bit if you are not careful enough. And yeah, so this was the next product that I got, and this also has a separator along with it, and that is a very nice thing because उसमें कोई germs नहीं लगने चाहिए, and also you don't end up hurting yourself, so separator is a must in a razor. So yeah, this was the next product that I got. So the last two products that I got in this box are these two sheet masks, and yeah, so this is the first sheet mask, and this is by the brand called Masking Beauty, and this is the facial sheet mask in the variant rice, as like rice is very good for your skin and your hair as well. So this I really wanted to try this one out. So yeah, this was the fifth product that I got, and the last product that I got in this box is this sheet mask, and this is by the brand called Sea Secret Hydrating Sheet Mask, and this has hyaluronic acid with vitamin B3 in this, and this is in the variant watermelon. And yeah, this is how the packaging looks like. And yeah, so this was the last product that I got from, and in this box I got a free gift like we usually get, and this is the pouch that I chose, and this is in the color seafoam green, but I'm not really liking the color of it that much, but yeah, it was a free gift, so why not. So here I complete my second box as well, and these were all the products that I got from Smitten this time, and I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Also share it with your friends and family or whosoever is interested in buying the sample sizes products from different brands. You can most definitely check out Smitten, and I have mentioned the link of Smitten in the description box below. You can most definitely check this out. Yeah, and if you guys like the video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell button so you get notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, see you in the next video. Tada.